Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Very nice. What's your name?
Mom.
Hello, Bomb. Put your
Sure.
feet down, okay? All right. Can you stand up? Sit down. Boy, can you clap your hands? Yay! Very good. How's the weather today? It's
Sunday.
yes, it's sunny. Very good, and it's hot. Okay. Are you ready to take the speaking test? Yes. Oh, what's that?
Moon.
Wow, very good. It's a moon. What about that?
Taki.
Okay, let me show you the flashcards, okay? Who is this? This is...
Teacher.
Okay, very good. What
It's
is
a
this?
oha.
Very good. What is this?
It's a book.
Very good. What is this?
Crayon.
It's a...
Crayon.
Very good. What is this?
Pencil.
Very good. It's a pencil. And this is... Oh,
Banana.
what's the color of the banana?
Gel.
It's color yellow. Do you like it?
Gel.
Do you like banana?
This.
Okay. What is this? It's a cool
Cool.
cookie.
Cookie.
Do you like cookie?
This.
What is this?
Apple.
Oh, do you like apple?
Red.
Okay, it's a red apple. Very good. Oh, what's this?
Monkey.
It's a monkey.
Monkey.
What is this?
Monkey is banana.
Yes, monkey eats banana. How about this? What is this? Bum bum.
Moon.
It's a
Moon.
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 Okay, very good. Sit nicely. Next, who is this?
Baby.
It's a
Baby
It's the
is.
baby. Who is this?
Mommy is happy.
Oh, very good. How about?
Mother is happy.
Oh, very good. Who is this? This
Daddy.
is.
Daddy is sad.
Is Daddy son? Who is this?
Daddy.
Yeah, very good. Who is this? This is my.
Teacher is happy.
Oh, very good. Oh, what animal is this?
Dog is happy.
Oi,
Bear is angry.
bear is angry.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, how about this animal?
Cat is happy.
Hey, the cat is happy.
Bird is angry.
Angry? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. Now, ooh, what shape is this?
Circle.
Very good. What shape is this?
Square.
Oh, what color is this?
Blue.
Blue square. Very good, Bomb. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Very good. It's a triangle.
Green. Red.
Red. It's color red.
Red. It's red.
Next. It's color
Green.
green. Very good. What color is this?
Blue.
It's color blue and
Yellow.
yellow. Next, it's color.
Orange.
Yay! Good job. Okay, let's put it down. Next. What number is this?
Number 5.
Very good. What number is this?
Number 3.
Very good. What number is this?
Number 1.
Very good.
Number 5.
Okay.
2.
Good job. Very good. Can you give me 5? That's it for today, Bomb. You did great. Very
Mom.
good. Can you say goodbye to teacher?
Teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.